Area flooding over the weekend has left some homes a mess. Homeowners tell us this has never happened before.
Now the city's working on a plan to fix the problem. News 5's Jesse Schultz is live in Elyria for us. And Jesse, what's this being blamed on?
Well, neighbors are all sure who is to blame, and they say it seems the storm sewers here may have failed, and now they're left with extensive damage. Most of that damage is in the basement. One man we spoke to redid his basement less than a year ago. Now it's ruined. He had to rip everything out from the carpet to the drywall. And he's not alone. Nearly every house for 2 blocks of Oakdale Circle here is affected. Some had 6 to 7 inches of sitting water in the basement. They're left cleaning up, but many aren't so sure the city will help with that process.
We've lived here 15 years. It's a brand new home. We had it built. And it never, I never heard of it flooding out here at all. How surprising. I really doubt the city's going to reimburse all these people. So I filed with the insurance company.
The city of Elyria did apologize for the flooding. They say their storm sewers just couldn't handle the amount of rain that fell here this weekend, and that they're working on a long-term solution. I'm live in Elyria. Jesse Schultz, News 5.
Overcome